They've taken a step up the amateur division. Can they cope with the higher standard? The manager's decided to go for a 4-1-2-1-2 formation, an unconventional formation which can be deadly when used properly. And this is the selection for the away side. Well, the players can't complain about the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here. Next 90 minutes should be captivating. Played in field. Well cut out. Oh, he did really well there. Passed well. Finds his teammate. Nice work there. All Brighton. Silva. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. Good ball. Intercepted. Defending. That's good link-up play. Optimistic effort. Not the best effort there. Well, let's take another look at that. And their first shot of the day is off target. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Oh, and dispossessed there. Striker's ball. Defender in possession. And that's out for a goal kick. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Well intercepted. That's nicely played. Confident pass. He loves to go past players with the ball. Not a good tackle at all. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. Good distribution. Well, they've got a chance just to regroup now. The referee calls play back for an offside. Finds his teammate. Good ball. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Good clean challenge. That's nicely played. He's got the goal in his sights. This is Silva. You've got to feel sorry for the player there. He'll hate seeing a replay of this one. But what on earth was he doing? That goal has changed. Well, the talking point at half-time will certainly be that bizarre own goal that missed with him. It's time for the second half of this league match. That's good link-up play. Good interception. Confident pass. Silva. This is Silva! Oh, that was a real chance. Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it. Keeper put his boot behind that. He's headed the ball forward. Silva. He's onside here. Oh, it's a clear chance. All Brighton. Well taken goal. The manager will be really pleased with finishing like that. He'll do wonders for his confidence too. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. The score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. Passed well. Lovely passing here. All Brighton. Well read. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Back towards the centre. Good ball. And the team swap possession again. Passed inside. Oh, that's great determination. That's nicely played. Now this could be costly. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? And this is a world-class finish. The replay will give us a closer look. And the manager's making a change here. Everyone's ready. Play restarts. Good distribution. What a well-timed tackle. Silva. Well-timed then. Great defending. Back to the goalkeeper. Well cut out. Passed well. It could be a chance here. Shoots! I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. This player's been the best of the team today. Forward from the keeper. Good ball. And we're entering stoppage time now. Oh, well intercepted. Headed on. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Oh, confident defending. Great pass. That's good link-up play. And the referee blows for full time. A big win for this team and some great goals. The manager will be pleased.